How much money would you like to make this year? Realistically, if you could set your own salary, what would it be? Don't say $1 billion. You're not going to make $1 billion this year. But I'm willing to bet that you can make more than you think. So I've been thinking about this, and I've come up with a number and a plan for how to get there. My number is $30,000 a month. By the end of this year, I would like to be consistently making $30,000 a month. I'm going to show you exactly how I plan on doing that, and I hope that this gives you some ideas. Welcome back to the Moneybeard channel. I'm Rob Anderson, founder of Moneybeard. This channel is all about helping you learn how you can make 6 figures or more doing what you love and then growing that money. So if you know anything about me, you'll know that I am a magician. I also run a couple of side businesses, but if I were only relying on my corporate magic performances, it would be extremely difficult for me to make $30,000 a month. Just like it would probably be difficult for you to make that much money if you were only performing your one main service. See, that's a single revenue stream, and the problem with only having a single stream of revenue is that it's often very difficult to meet a large financial goal relying only on that single stream. Additionally here, if you have a single stream of revenue and that stream of revenue is providing all of your income, this is you right here, and it gets cut off. Let's address this for a second. Yes, I am using a whiteboard. I swore I would never do this. I've become a whiteboard guy. I have become that which I make fun of.
Look, we're talking about passive revenue.
I beg your forgiveness. All right, moving on. If we have a single stream of revenue and it's providing your entire income stream and it gets cut off, you're gonna have a bad time. Let's get rid of this right here. However, that's you again. However, if you have multiple streams of revenue coming in from different areas and each of these revenue streams are providing you with income, if one of these streams gets cut off, you still have all of your other revenue streams, so it doesn't matter if we lose one stream of revenue. That is the benefit to having multiple streams of revenue. All right, you got to go. Never using this again, at least until the next video. But the point is, you want the safety and security from having those other revenue streams so you don't fall into financial trouble if you lose one or two. That's all great, but what are my revenue streams and how did I come up with them? And how can you come up with different streams of revenue? A lot of my streams of revenue are just based on services that I've created once I saw a need that I could meet through creating a service. That's it. You'll see in a second. In addition to that, there are side hustles, which I've made a video about and will make more videos about in the future. But I'm going to explain each of my revenue streams. As I do, I hope it gives you some ideas. The other concept we're going to talk about here besides revenue streams is having a roadmap so you know how to get where you want to go. I see so many people that just have this aimless millionaire mindset where they just talk about hustling and success and they put entrepreneur in the bio and they run their mouth about all these buzzwords and they just do this all day long. And you know what I call people that just do this and don't take action? Professional speakers, because all they do is talk. Don't be a professional speaker, be prepared to take action, and with that, here's my roadmap to make $30,000 a month by the end of the year. Okay, first up, my first revenue stream, the main thing I'm known for is being a magician. I provide magic experiences for VIP, celebrity, and corporate events. And I don't actually make a ton of money doing this right now, but I can see throughout the last year that I've averaged around $4,500 a month from performing at these types of events. I'm projecting a conservative increase of around 10% this year, which I plan to achieve by reaching out and setting up new corporate accounts with clients who I will directly contact who I know will be a good fit for my services. So my 2020 projection for this stream of income is $5,000 per month. Next service, which is actually a branch off of my corporate magic services, is trade show performing. Now I don't group this in with the rest of my corporate magic because it really is a different type of service that I'm performing. At trade shows, I earn at least $2,000 per day when I perform this service. Now I've dropped off of my marketing on this mostly to focus on this YouTube channel lately, but I know that if I ramp up my marketing efforts, I can book at least 2 days per month of this service. So my target for this income stream, which I'm going to achieve through proper direct marketing, is $4,000 per month. Now let's talk about my marriage proposal planning company. As some of you may know, my company, This Magic Moment, provides marriage proposal planning services, with the flagship service being my Magic Proposal Experience. This is a service that, again, I created after I saw a need and I thought of a way that I could service and fill that need for clients that were looking for. This service gets booked very consistently, currently servicing an average of 15 clients per month with an average profit of $300. That means I have a current average monthly profit of $4,500. Now I'm projecting again conservative increase based on year-over-year trends, and I'm also going to be doing a slight price increase at some point throughout this year. I'm setting my target for this service at $5,000 per month by the end of the year. By the way, can you smash the like button for me going so in depth about my businesses like this? If you could just do a tombstone pile driver on that like button, that always helps me out. All right, that's not the only service the company offers though. We also offer flash mob dance proposals at a pretty high profit margin of $1,000 each for the company. And we're currently not doing many of these, but I'd like to ramp up marketing efforts on flash mobs to do at least one per month consistently, which would bring our target for this service to $1,000 per month. Part of my plan for the company this year is to officially add on new proposal services that I've only been doing as one-off services until now. Again, this is seeing a need and meeting it. And these aren't even magic related, but again, there's a need, I figured out how to meet it, we're going to do that. Some of these services include room decoration packages and walking and limo photo tours. I've run the numbers and I can offer these packages and earn a $200 gross profit per package. And I'm confident that I can sell at least 5 of these packages per month by the end of the year. And that would bring our target for this service to $1,000 per month. Next up, the company sells something that I call the perfect proposal kit. It's basically all of the romantic items that you need to stage your own proposal all in one box. I sell these right on the website and earn an average of $75 per kit depending on the level of the kit purchased. I'm confident that I can sell at least 1 per day by the end of the year, bringing the target for this revenue stream to $2,250 per month. Next up is something completely different. It's actually a storytelling show based around a bunch of stories that I have from my career in the entertainment world. All of these stories follow the common theme of something going horribly wrong behind the scenes of a TV show or a viral video or on stage during a live performance, and me having to fix the problem with limited resources on the fly. The show is called What Could Go Wrong, and I plan on booking this at corporate events with an emphasis on creative problem solving and at colleges with an emphasis on the mental health effects of following your dreams. I know I can probably charge $10,000 to corporate events for a talk like this, but I think colleges are actually going to be on a much smaller budget of maybe around a few $1,000s. And I'll be totally honest, I really don't know exactly how this is going to go. So I'm going to be conservative about this, and I'm going to say that if I could just get booked at 1 college per month by the end of the year, I'd be really happy with that outcome. And that would yield $3,500 per month. Next, I'm starting a poster business. I'm doing so many things, I know, and I'm able to do this because, believe it or not, I really don't spend a ton of time performing magic, even though it's my main thing. This is a company I'll be launching in a few months, and I don't even have the official name for it yet, but these are posters I'll be selling based on my own original concept. I'll be printing them locally at first, and hopefully eventually in-house if they sell well enough. I've run the numbers, and I can profit $15 per poster that's sold, and with 50 designs ready to go at launch, I'm confident that through running an effective Instagram ad campaign, I'll be able to get to the point where I can sell 15 posters per day. Do that every day, and the gross monthly profit is $6,750. Let's talk about YouTube, because I do make a little bit of money on YouTube. I really don't make much though. Currently, I'm only making around $500 per month on YouTube. And I don't want to overproject this, even though I feel that it's possible to make several thousand or more by the end of the year. I didn't want to make this an easy video and be like, well, I'll make $15,000 on YouTube alone, so the rest will be easy. I'm projecting a very conservative increase for YouTube as well, and I'm going to say that by the end of the year, if I could get up to $1,000 per month, which I definitely think is doable, I'd be happy with that. So I'm setting my YouTube target at $1,000 a month. Finally, I'm going to be purchasing at least 1 multifamily rental property later this year, and I've been in the real estate game before. I've owned and sold a rental property, so I understand what's involved. And I'm going to be purchasing that, and I want it to cash flow at least $800 per month. Like I said, I know what's involved in this process, and I will be documenting that whole journey on this channel as well. I am realizing I am going to have to make so many videos this year, but it's worth it. Subscribe, ring the bell, you'll see them all. And let's recap all of these streams of income and see if we've hit our $30,000 goal. Okay, so for corporate magic performances, our goal is $5,000 per month. For trade show performances, our goal is $4,000 per month. For all of the services provided by my proposal company, This Magic Moment, our goal is $7,000 per month. For the perfect proposal kits that the company sells, we set our goal at $2,250 per month. My college storytelling show, What Could Go Wrong, has a target of $3,500 per month. My poster business that I've been working on, I've set an ambitious goal of $6,750 per month. YouTube AdSense, I'm confident, will earn $1,000 per month, and my rental property should be able to bring in $800 per month. Add it all up and we have a total of $30,300 per month. We hit our goal, we have a roadmap, a target, and a plan for exactly how to get there. All right, so our next steps are to put this all into Microsoft Excel, which I've already done, and to start taking action on the things we talked about in this video. Remember, we're not just gonna talk, we're not gonna do this. No professional speakers on this YouTube channel. We take action on the things we say we're going to do. I hope this video gave you some ideas for how to put your own plan together to diversify your income streams and to make more money, because that's always the goal of this channel. I've got so many other videos on this channel and so many more on the way. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. I'll see you back here in a future video. Thanks a lot for watching.